Welcome. My name is Kazmi Ando, and welcome to Kaz's Kitchen. Now tonight I'm gonna make Spaniard garlic shrimp. For ingredient, I have about 15 medium-sized shrimp or large shrimp, small finely diced small onion, about 3 cloves of garlic, and about a tablespoon of chopped flat leaf parsley. In addition to that, I have a small teaspoon of salt, sea salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon of red pepper, and half a teaspoon of paprika, smoked paprika. So now I'm going to I have a heavy cast iron skillet. I'm going to turn the stove top on to medium. I'm going to warm up the cast iron first for a good 5 minutes before I add all the oil and start the cooking process. Now it's been about 5 minutes. The cast iron is very hot, so I'm going to add the 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And first I'm going to add my onion, finely chopped onion. Now, you don't want to let them burn, so eventually you're going to have to turn them around all throughout the time the cast iron is sitting on the stove top with the onion in it, and let them slightly cook before adding the garlic. So that's what I'll do all throughout. You don't want to let the onion burn, so you keep turning it as it sits on the stove top. Now, I'm going to add my garlic. And I'm going to still keep doing the same thing, turning it so that they don't burn until the onion are completely translucent. I'm going to add the 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. No, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And half a teaspoon of red pepper. And mix them and let them infuse in the oil with the onion and the garlic. Good minute, or 2 minutes or so, depending. Now at this point, I'm going to add my shrimp to the skillet. Spoon of salt. And last but not least, I'm gonna sprinkle it with my parsley. About 2 more minutes, and we're ready to enjoy some unbelievably delicious poultry. Well, our friends, our shrimp dish is ready. Well, it's time for tasting. Outstanding. Bon appetit.